Now I'm going to touch on palettes really quickly. I've got ceramic palettes, and these are just two that I've dug out. I've got ceramic palettes, I've got more than one. And then I also have these plastic palettes. Now, if you're looking for longevity and something that you can just use over and over, I feel like a ceramic is way better because it doesn't get stained over time. The plastic, while it's cheap and cheerful, it stains over time. As you can see right here, it kind of just lingers over. So if you're nitpicky about things like that, I would highly recommend a ceramic or ceramics. I've also seen other artists use ceramic plates and just kind of painting from there. I like the little indented wells so that the colors don't run into one another and end up mixing without me wanting them to mix. So you get a little bit more control over having them with little wells like so.